Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Ben. Happy birthday to you. Yay!
Happy birthday!
But I'm going to have to blow it out for him. You going to blow it out? Blow the candle out.
Yay! Can't wait to blow that out. Oh.
That face all over his.
Did you see it? He kind of looks sad.
Yeah, I saw it.
Do you want some cake?
Love that expression he does.
His face is so funny.
Here,
I know it.
I'll cut it up there.
Yay! Is it your birthday?
It's your birthday. It's your birthday.
Where's the candle?
He looks so funny when we start singing. Yay!
Okay. Birthday boy gets the first key.
I think that's maybe a little too big.
Oh no, this is good.
Oh, he will.
He just got a taste of that sweet.
Where's my piece?
I'm cutting one right now, buddy. What do you think, Ben?
Not as bad.
Look at that one hand. He's got chocolate on it.
Is that good?
Did Alex have some, or are you going to eat the whole cake?
There we go.
Good? You remember when you ate your cake like that?
Should I get a fork and feed a little bit of it to him, or you think you doing
No, just let him.
There you go. Oh,
There we go. Look at that face. He's gonna cram it in now.
dig in, buddy.
Is that yummy in the tummy? Yummy in the tummy. Yummy in the tummy.
Hey, I just saw 3 stitches on a t-shirt. And one of them was you.
Oh, there he goes. Oh, look, there he picked the whole thing up. He thought that little bit was good. Why not put the whole thing in?
He's got a little beard.
He's got the pretty scar. Here he goes. He's going to pick it all up.
Whoa.
Uh-oh. Good job. good stuff's gone. Oh, in the hair. Oh, in the hair.
Should I wash the demons off?
Yeah. Where's Duncan in the
Can I go
tub? I think you got some on the back of the chair,
Star Wars
too.
again?
What's that, Alex?
Can I go downstairs and play Lego Star Wars again?
You finish your cake?